So what do that 0 to pi r represents? Deformation time, and pi r to r plus like a pi plus 1 r, it's like it represents the reformation time. And according to the quotient of restitution, what we have, jr by jd, magnitude, this will be. So this should be equal to a2 by a1, because in ft graph, if you calculate area under ft graph, you get the impulse. So what about the area a2, quarter circle, pi r square by 4. Area of triangle of into base is pi r, height is r, 1 by 2. It may not be, it can be of any shape. There's hypothetical. Practically, we don't have such thing. It's just hypothetical. I'll go for next one. Let's take some examples. Read the question.